Meaning of entangle.
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 Entangle. Entangle means to become twisted together or caught up, causing difficulty in separating or untangling. This can occur with physical objects or abstract concepts, such as in relationships or problems. When things become entangled, it can lead to confusion, frustration, and even harm. Untangling the situation often requires patience, careful consideration, and a willingness to compromise. Once resolved, the result of entanglement can be a clearer understanding of the situation and a renewed appreciation for the importance of communication and problem-solving skills.